Psst. Did he say unboxing? Dude must be loaded. Come on, let's check him out. Hey guys, welcome to my very first tech unboxing. Well, if there's one good thing that came out of this quarantine, is that I really got to save money. All in all, my savings came out to be over $6,000 or around $120. Let's get going. So I'll go through this one real quick because I'm dying to try this cam out. This is a Canon Powershot A2600. It can shoot HD and has 16 megapixels. It has a large enough viewfinder and the usual bells and whistles. You know how this works. This one is a gift, but to work I just needed some of these. A 16GB SD card that went for 400 pesos, and a mini USB to USB cable, since that's a cable needed to plug the cam to a computer, and this one dropped at 129 pesos. Oh man! Y'all seen this? The resolution is way better, no? Our drawings are gonna be lit. Up next are generic China card readers. I got both for 100 pesos. One is solely for micro SD cards, and the other can read the larger SD cards as well as a micro SD. Now these are a couple of data cables, both for 200 pesos. You can never have enough cables, dongles, and ports, no? Now this is a backup I need. A smart Wi-Fi LTE. It's fast enough. Says right here it can connect up to 5 devices. I've been having problems with fiber lately, especially if it rains. So I'm hoping this works. I got this for 1,495 pesos, or came with the SIM and some load. Loading this would set you back 50 pesos a day, and that gives you 2 gig data, I believe. You can always load more when you need it. And here is another backup, a Nokia 105 keypad phone for 850 pesos. I'll primarily use this as my office phone, and I need this because it's so much handier than a smartphone. I only use a smartphone for games, emails, and once upon a time to record YouTube videos. That's a thing of the past, gents. We've leveled up now. Oh, this one I love. I've been wanting a wireless keyboard and mouse for so long. I'm trying to slowly let go of a cable-filled life, says the guy who bought more cables. The keyboard is pretty decent. I'm not much into gaming RGB keyboards anyway, so this will do. But the mouse is alright. Comfortable, yes. Not bad at all. Now on the underside are where you put the batteries. That's the only downside. You'll have to regularly check the health of your batteries. But at least that's the only trade-off. And then there's a price of 799 pesos. That's cool. It's alright. Now this one is just equally as important. This is a 4-port 2.0 USB hub. My laptop has only 2 USB ports, 2.0, 3.0, so having this is a blessing. Also, the wireless mouse comes with a USB receiver, so instead of that receiver hugging the one port in my laptop, if I plug the receiver in this hub, I'm left with 3 more ports extra, and all that for 295 pesos. Not bad, huh? Next is a gift from last year's. This is a 3TB Seagate external hard drive. With YouTube videos and files eating my D drive like crazy, this has become a lifesaver. The thing is, I'm a hoarder, and I can't let go of the raw files of the videos we've shot so far. So yeah, I need a 3TB storage space. I do have a 2TB Seagate drive, and that's already filled up. Hey, check out how thin it is beside the 3TB. Anywho, I've got 5TB of space, and the space is always good. This one is a laptop stand, and I have to say this is the most useless of the bunch, and it cost me 700 pesos. So the laptop sits firmly upright and closed as it's clamped by the stand. The idea is you can now plug a secondary monitor to it, making the laptop a desktop or a dual monitor if you unclamp it. It's kind of useless at the moment because I don't have another monitor, and an HDMI monitor is too rich for my blood at the moment, but we'll get there, so I'm keeping this. Now this 205 peso Ethernet adapter will eventually cut my reliance on Wi-Fi and plug me directly to the router. Since my laptop doesn't support the LAN wires, hence the adapter. Just plug the LAN here, and the other end goes to the router, and this one is plugged to your USB port. Cool for 205. Lastly and most importantly is an Asus headset. It's a gaming headset, I believe it is. I don't know the model of this because this is the support I get from a very good friend. He loaned this to me so that I could record better audio and listen to chill vibes while we're at it. You know, thank you so much, unnamed good friend. Hey, we'll hang out soon. Keep the coffee brewing when we do, alright? Thanks, Doi. Well, there you have it. My very first tech unboxing. All in all, this set me back around a little over 5,000 pesos or $100. It's kind of steep, I know, but I was just happy the shops are open. You have no idea. And as I said, I've had 2 months to fine-tune my wish list, and finally it's been ready. So, if you're liking, start subscribing. I'll do my best to upload at least twice a week when time permits. I'm back to my day job, guys. So anyway, guys, thank you. Stay safe, stay indoors, stay subscribed. This is Comics on Lockdown.